Look at those edges.
Pocket theory.
What's going on, Pocket Theory? It's your main man, Suds, coming to you from my home office here in Austin, Texas. What's going down today? It's time to talk about a new knife.
Stick around.
It's on the reflexes.
Medic!
Don't you stick that knife in your leg.
Knife. That's a knife.
Like, subscribe, like, subscribe, like, subscribe.
What's in the box?
This is the TR-FK02 folding kitchen knife. On the box it says folding pocket knife, but on the website it's branded as a folding kitchen knife. And you'll be able to see very shortly, this is definitely a kitchen quality knife. This is a knife made by Tacray in China. It is not made in America. The pictures on the website look pretty freaking amazing. Let's see what's in here. Let's get this thing open. Oh, snap Azula. So I'm just going to shred that box. Wow. Wow, boys and girls. Look at the freaking size of this thing. Wow. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a 12-inch kitchen knife from Tacray. The FK02 folding kitchen knife. This is boasting 10 CR 15 MOV stainless steel blade, sharp high hardness, strong toughness and corrosion resistance, G10 handle, also corrosion and abrasion resistant for durable usage, and it is also moisture resistant and non-slip. I mean, there is a pocket clip, but are you gonna put this giant thing in your goddamn pocket? There's also a lanyard hole on here. That is a button lock. You saw me just operate that and oh my Lord, that thing just flips out like magic. And hold on a second before I get too playful with this thing. Wow. Guys, right out of the box, that is a pretty sharp blade. Oh my God. That is insanity in the brains right there. I mean, dude, look at this. That is razor sharp right out of the box. You can definitely flip it out. I mean, I am not skilled enough, I guess, to operate this one-handed. I am not all right, there we go. Opening this thing is not quite as difficult as you think. Once it's open, this does feel like a very nice knife. You could definitely rest this against your knuckles and get this going on a cutting board. The button lock, I don't know if this is intentional. This isn't gonna swing shut on its own. You do have to get in there and close it. Maybe that's an intentional safety feature. One of you out there, this is the perfect knife for you. If you are a camper, backpacker, bushcrafter, if you're somebody that spends a lot of time in the outdoor space, but you also don't want to be without a full-size kitchen knife, I mean, ladies and gentlemen, look at this thing. This is actually pretty beautiful. This comes in black and orange. When they asked me what color I wanted, I said, of course, send me the orange. It also comes in 10 inch and 12 inches. And when they said, what size do you want? I'm like, give me all you got! Give me all you got! Babies, I live in Texas. Send me the orange, send me the 12 inch. I need the biggest knife you got and I like the orange color. Let's do it. The weight is right. It doesn't feel too heavy. It doesn't feel unsafe at all. I mean, it definitely feels like you could get some very serious work done. I'm gonna take this down to the kitchen and chop some shit up. I'm going to put some food under the knife and we're gonna see how well this performs in the kitchen. Do you have gear that you want evaluated or showcased on our channel? Send it to Suds, care of Pocket Theory at P.O. Box 447, Del Valle, Texas, 78617. You won't be disappointed. We got the FK02 folding kitchen knife from Tacray. Let's see how this performs on some celery. Ooh, very smooth. It's the Tacray FK02 folding kitchen knife versus a common household lasagna. That's sharp as frick. Dude, that went right through the fucking packaging. Pardon my French, but as you can see, look at those edges. That's a nice clean cut. FK02 folding kitchen knife from Tacray. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this Tacray FK02 folding kitchen knife performs very well on a cutting board. The folding action is pretty smooth. You can definitely spidey flick it open. It's not going to take a huge amount of effort, but I think it's actually safer just to two-hand this one. There's no reason to get crafty with it. If you're somebody that spends a lot of time in the outdoors, but you also like to do a lot of cooking by the campfire, this is definitely a knife that you're gonna wanna check out. This knife is gonna be perfect for somebody out there, and whoever you are, do me a favor, send me a picture postcard from whatever exotic corner of the world you happen to be camping out in right now, because whoever you are, you're much more interesting than me. This is a pretty cool knife. It's lightweight. The folding action is great. It's definitely sharp and it works really well in the kitchen. I don't see a problem keeping this sharp, especially if you have a ceramic hone. This would be great for chopping up vegetables, for cutting down meat, you know, cooking up a stew by the campfire. Definitely check out the Tacray TR-FK02 folding kitchen knife. There is an affiliate link in the description. Go help out the channel and buy a knife on Amazon. When it comes to folding kitchen knives, just remember, think outside the box. Be creative with your gear and have fun with your EDC. This is Suds with Pocket Theory. Carry what you want.